Most of the S&P 500 is reported, but never fear. There's plenty of mid caps and small caps still to go. In fact, we're getting almost about 1,300 companies reporting this week, and a lot of them are still big names that you know. We are going to start hearing from the retail group, so that's going to be on the spotlight this week. But there's also some other interesting names, so let's jump right into it. The first stock is one of the big pharmaceutical companies, Allergen. You would know this one because they make the Botox. They also make the Latisse that you put on to grow your eyelashes. But they're in a whole bunch of different areas. They have this great track record with just the 2 misses over the last 5 years. But this whole group of the drug companies has, taken a hit over the last couple of years. These shares have rebounded a little bit, but I'm going to be tuning in to see kind of what's going on with these bigger drug companies, and this is one to watch this week. Then we have an insurance company, and I know I keep talking about the insurers because they've been doing really well this quarter, and the charts are fantastic. They only have the 1 miss in 2016. Otherwise, they got this perfect track record, shares at these new highs. Aon is also does a lot of HR work and risk management and risk insurance side. So they're one of the big guys in a whole bunch of different areas. So if you're interested in the insurance side, this is one of the hotter ones. You definitely want to be watching this. Our third stock is one I've talked about in the past, Blue Buffalo Pet Products. Now this is the all-natural pet foods. So this is a hot area because not only do people want to eat better, they want their pets to eat better too, with no pesticides and natural ingredients. They have the perfect record of beating since 2015, but the shares, are real choppy and in this narrow trading range. So we'll see if, something in this earnings report can bust them out of this range. Then we're going to get into the retail side. Wayfair is the Amazon of the furniture sector on, online e-commerce. They only have that 1 miss in 2015 since their 2014 IPO. But again, just like Blue Buffalo, shares are in kind of this normal or this very narrow, choppy range. But looks like if maybe we can see something better coming out of them, might get a breakout here. So this is one to watch later this week, to see kind of where the online retail group is headed with Wayfair. And then we're getting Party City. This is one of my favorite stocks because everybody throws parties and they have good same-store sales. They do have just the 2 misses since the 2015 IPO, so it's a little dubious putting them in here. But I'm giving them the benefit of the doubt here, and we'll kind of see how they're being impacted by this downturn in the retail sector because they're not in the apparel side. Again, they're on the party side, and people love to spend on the holidays. So this is also one I'm going to be watching in the specialty retail area. Now, this is just a few select charts from this week because, as I said, we're getting 1,300 charts going, but these are some of the best names out there. And just because a company has beat many quarters in a row doesn't mean they're always going to beat. So that's one thing to keep in mind too, but you got to like the track records on these. So these are at the top of my list as the ones to watch. Now, if you're interested in the options trades on any of these or any of the companies reporting this week, you need to tune in to Dave Bartosiak over on Zach's Live Trader. It's on YouTube. He's covering all the options trades over there. Be sure to check him out, and I'll have more earnings charts for the rest of the week.